English is way easier to me than writing it. Grammarly gives me confidence.
In Spanish, the way you say the words is the way you write it, but in English, that's not necessarily the case.
So my spelling, specific colons or semicolons, is difficult for me in English. Grammarly just makes writing it so much easier.
Grammarly's making me a better writer, and it's free.
If you're learning to write in English, Grammarly is the pick for value.
Download for free at Grammarly.com.